Good morning. Today we have an activity, and at the end of the activity you will tell me whether it is an example of miscalculating or misuse. Means it is the activity related to the misunderstanding or misuse of an average method. Let's restart the story. In the story, there was a family who was living in a town, and one day they wanted to go on a river bank. They reached on the river bank. They are very happy. They are spending their time with the pleasure. And at the noon, they wanted to swim in the river. The father knows the average width of the river, so he calculated the average height of his family. He measured the height of each member, then convert into the average. Then he was happy. He knows that the average of his family is more than the average width of the river. So they jump into the river and try to cross the river. But after some time, he and his wife crossed the river. He looked back. His both sons were drowned in the river. Oh no! It was sad. He was unhappy. What happened? So, tell me, is it the example of misuse of average or misunderstanding of calculating a method or an average? It's spent on you. Thank you.